All right, guys, so I just got finished up with my trading session for the day. I ended up making around $134.18 in my PA Apex accounts. So in total, made just over $2,000 profit on the day. So I took one trade today on NQ. It was definitely a quick scalp. I was in and out of the trade, but that was it for me today. Also, guys, apologies for the low quality setup. My computer keeps freezing, so I'm trying to figure that out. Hopefully we'll be back to normal tomorrow. Anyways, if you guys don't know already, I trade live Monday through Friday inside my private group. And this trade I was able to take on that live session. So with that being said, let's go and roll the replay from the trade I took this morning. Okay, good morning, guys. So watching this NQ, seeing if we hold our level here. It's like we just did right there. Yeah, so this would technically be set up. I don't like it. Maybe if we consolidated more in here and it looked like we're holding better, but we're just too close to this resistance, I think. Yeah, I think I'm fine with just missing this. I just don't want to enter long inside of here. All right, that would have been the stop out. Glad we're able to avoid that. Okay, big setup candle right here. Not opposed to trying this long and get a little bit better entry. Okay, it just got filled there. Stop would go at around 9. Honestly, I'm gonna get out of that. That was around 15 points. All right, as you guys saw, it was a pretty simple trade. Let me just break it down a little bit more. So if we go over to a 1 hour time frame, just to zoom out, kind of show you what the market's been doing. You can see we've been pretty choppy lately. We just been chopping around through December after our big run up after the elections. And we've been selling off, but we've been choppy. Okay, so basically from there we can kind of zoom in more and you can see we've been holding the support area. This is support from a while ago. If I can extend this back, but we held the support area. We got a decent little run up yesterday and then we're kind of just inside of a light pullback by the time the market opened today. Okay, so now we can go over to a 2-minute time frame, kind of see what that looks like. Run up here, small pullback. So to me, the trend was still intact as long as we held this pre-market lows. This when news came out, we shot up. So basically, I didn't want to go short until we broke this level down. As you can see, price literally fell straight down to support once we did break that pre-market low. So I told myself, as long as we hold that level, I can still play longs, right? So that's exactly what I did. Going into the 30-second time frame, that's where I like to trade a lot. I'll really trade on I'll trade on a 2-minute time frame, 1 minute, doesn't matter. But I like to trade in the 30-second. There's typically more opportunities that the market presents itself. So as you can see, basically market open, we chopped around. I was like, okay, if we get above this level, I can look for longs to take to here. So if you guys don't know how I trade already, I'm a trend pullback trader, but I also use level, support, and resistance to determine where I'm going to take those trend pullbacks, right? So as you can see, we ended up dipping down to the support. We already knew the market's consolidating. In this case, we started bouncing off support. We had pretty good volume down here. My volume's not showing up. We had pretty good volume down here. We got a nice run up off the support area from pre-market low. And to me, that told me that an imbalance of buyers were stepping in. If we zoom in here, imbalance of buyers were stepping in. Sellers tried to test a little bit. We got a little bit of a pullback. And this is where I was able to get an entry, right? So I entered on this candle right here. So let me just zoom in so you guys can see better. Entered on this candle right here, had my stop below that pullback low, and then I simply went for a 1-to-1 risk reward, which was around that VWAP area. We also still had a lot of room to run to our previous resistance since we're in more of a range bound area, right? So I knew that if I was gonna trade within these two boxes, I want to get in, at least in the middle area or before, right? If I'm going long, I don't want to get long way up here because chances are we're going to sell back off, right? or I want to wait till we get out of one of these zones. So we eventually got out of the short zone. We could have found some short trades, in this range too, right? But since we're still in this range, this is where I was looking to trade either long, somewhere down here, or short somewhere up here. This would have been another good short trade. Imbalance of sellers came in, got a light pullback. Seller stepped back in, put our stop above the high, and write it down to the support or a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. So anyways, guys, that was it for me today. That's how I ended up making the 131 and 18 of my PA Apex accounts. We're scaling up this year. Excited to see what is to come for 2025. Like I said before, I do trade live every single day, Monday through Friday on Zoom inside my private group. If you guys are looking to be a part of that and start your new year off, by joining my private group, getting access to my coaching program. I am looking for a few more motivated people who are committed to becoming a profitable day trader. Inside this private group, I'll personally teach you my strategy for 30 days. I'll personally be reviewing your trades. And like I said, I'll even be trading live with you on Zoom Monday through Friday. So if you guys are interested in this private group, you want to start your new year off, actually having someone to follow, having a real strategy to follow, and all that good stuff. All you have to do is go to the first link in the description below this video, message me the word trading. It'll take you to my Instagram account and just DM me the word trading, and I'll send you all the details about the private group from there. Just have a few questions to ask you to make sure we'd be a good fit to work together. That being said, guys, as always, hope you have a great rest of your day. I'll see you tomorrow morning at market open inside the Discord, and I'm looking forward to the rest of the week.